electric charger. Hey, Tesla charger ni. Tesla mo. So,
Daddy, where's Grace?
I don't know, inside. So, hey, some heavy Tesla tilo. So, and I charge save ka. So, I may motor pang I charge mo phone charge na din take nila hi iPhone charger ni sila hi Android Samsung ho mo may ina hit halawa so Tesla charger hi aluet halawa kanoin motorin chila so hemi hit ha hemi khrui hi kala ngaให้ตายเห็นตัวบุตรให้ตายเห็นมั้งTesla charger with, as you can see here, with J1772 connector plug. So we broke the Tesla charging plug. Instead of fixing it, I have the Chevy Volt EV charger J177. So I took out the wire from this and then use it. This one is for Chevy, this is for one is for Tesla. So I took out the wire and make it so that I could use it. I could still use it. So it's not finished yet. I just temporarily tap it up to see which wire goes where. So this one, as you can see, this black wire is from Tesla mobile charger. Orange is from Volt. So I'm gonna get shorter. This one is way skinny wire, so I wouldn't recommend it to charge it over 30 amps with 220 volt level 2. So I'm just gonna make it look prettier. I haven't seen any video in YouTube, so I think it's a good idea because we have a Chevy Volt and Tesla. So the thing about the Tesla, I have the good one, Tesla charger. The thing is I cannot use this one to charge the Chevy Volt that we got. So why not combine? I want the 220 amps, the level 2 for the Chevy Volt, and then I could still use to charge Tesla. I have this one too, which I buy it after market, Amazon, $190. But I like the look of this better and charge faster. I hope it helps someone. If you have a broken plug, you have a Tesla plug and then Chevy Volt, this level 1 charger, a slew level 1 charger, you don't have to throw them away. So for 220 volt I have a hard time. So this red to this, so you just make it to 2 wire, and then the gray and purple will go to the blue one, and then gray and purple and black will go to the purple. Approx PP, and then I forgot how they call it. So I have to try a couple of times. I thought this one was just for when you push the button there, but it wasn't. So that should be it. I'll show you the final product later. I'm gonna see how hot this wire is without having to cut this, and if it's way too hot, I'll just reduce the power, the charging rate. Here. As you can see. Orange. So it's charging 12 miles an hour because I just tapped the connection. So I'm supposed to solder it and use a heat shrink. Just this one is just for demonstration, so I'll make it look better and work better. That should be it for now. Thank you.